Welcome to Bold Industrial, where we empower artisans, do-it-yourself enthusiasts, workshop owners, and technical personnel with the tools and information they need to succeed. Our online platform not only offers top-notch products, but also provides detailed guides and data to help our customers make informed purchasing decisions. With a wide range of products from renowned brands like Bosch, we ensure that our customers have everything they need for their projects, all backed by expert advice. If we win this grant and receive expert coaching, we have a clear vision for the next 12 months to expand our product offerings, to boost our marketing efforts, and upgrade our platform technology for a seamless user experience. Visa's support will help us grow and continue providing essential tools and information to our community.